Hello everyone. I'm back after a very long time and apologies, but we are traveling. So I had meet kits for my 2-year-old and 3-year-old. So before we travel, I wanted to show you what I have packed this time. So this is a kit for my 2 years old. So I'll tell you what all is have. So first, just the random stuff, which it's a flight, so it is a 5 hour flight, and then we are traveling by car. So just random stuff. There is some pen because see, I have two. So I mean, elder one start writing, so she has pen and markers in her bag, her kit. So customary I have to add for her, though she just scribbles, but still there are some pen, markers, whatever I put for the elder one. So the same thing, which I don't think she'll use much, but still. Apart from that. This is one of the fine motor skills activity which you have seen already in my blogs long back, but because they don't do it at home much, so still I kept it here. So purple straw, orange straw, a purple felt cloth with small cuts. So she just have to talking about colors, and she'll take the orange cloth and then she will put it inside it like that. And this way we are going to do this activity. So just because it was lying there, so one thing is, like, I don't put anything expensive in this these kits, because they're bound to get lost, I mean, thrown on the flight. They don't, many things has happened. So all the things are like very cheap. Even if they get lost, I don't feel so sad. So that is one thing. So now this is the second set, which has some okay, one, these are the stickers, the foam stickers. So they have not seen these things, so I hope they love the stickers. So I hope they like it. And this is another fine motor skills activity. So it's nothing. There are some pipe cleaners. You see, the pipe cleaners are different colors, and the straws have been cut into small pieces. So they have to take the pipe cleaner and match it to the straw and put it inside. So it's a ziplock. So I'll show you how. Sorry, it is locked. So just like that. You see there are straws, and I'll take out the pipe cleaners from it. So like, this is a yellow pipe cleaner and it's a yellow straw, or they were maybe, yes, this yellow straw. And because I'm doing it with one hand, it's difficult, but it's like they have to put the straw inside, the pipe cleaner inside the straw, and like that they have to complete the activity. So this is the second activity. And now the major lifesaver, I would suppose, for this flight, the major activities which are prepared for them are so this is just a random diary, because the elder one got to diary to scribble. So this is also for putting stickers or just doing scribbling when the elder one is scribbling. So this is just a pocket diary like that. It's empty, it's completely empty. So just keeping a craze that we are going to flight and you got new diaries. So these are the games which I prepared for her, which actually I wanted to show you all, guys. So what we are doing with my 2 years old. So my 2 year old doesn't know ABC, has started counting recently, so doesn't recognize the numbers as such, but works on shapes and colors. That's it. So there are two sets. Okay, this is one set which I'll explain to you later. This is the first set. So this is Sia is her name. So just we'll tell her, see, this is your name, because elder one writes her name, so she's also looking. So I just thought I'll write her name so that she can relate to it. Now this is all all DIY. So stickers and markers and dot stickers. So these are the foam stickers. So we'll talk about colors like that. Now we're talking about which is long, short, and medium. So these are again foam stickers. You can mark with a hand also, but just stickers, and they are like you can feel them, so it keeps them interested. So long, short, medium we'll talk about. Then we have to count, like how many stickers are there. One, two. Very basic. She's counted till 5 only till now, and this one again we are counting. So till 5 I said. Now we'll see which is big and small, and then this one, which is again long, short. Can see long, short, or which is longer in these two, which is longer in these two, which is longer. Then because she recognizes shapes now, so this is the shapes activity, just hand drawn with the markers. Just identify the shapes. Then again to identify the shapes. Now this one is You have to count which all are green and which all are yellow. So we are doing colors as well as counting in this one. Then this is I have this is a stipple, so I put stickers here, so she has to put the sticker along the edges because she knows a circle and a square. So just as a fine motor skills that, you know, take the sticker and put only on this one. So these two are there. Then again identify the color. We'll ask, okay Sia, tell us which is red color, Sia which is blue color, like that. Identify the colors. This one is again big, small, medium. So they are blue big, red big, small, yellow big, small, like that. We'll ask her and she'll recognize. And now again, because we have given her the pencil, so we'll ask her color the red one, color the yellow one, or maybe circle them, like that. Black and white she doesn't recognize yet, so I just added a black foam piece and a white foam piece just to revise it. And then again different color dot stickers, and she has to count that, you know, okay, count the yellow ones, count the blue ones, count the red, so color as well as counting we are doing here. And yes, again the last one, count the red, count the yellow, count the blue. So that is the first set of activities for her. Now this is the second set. So actually these are individual activities. I staple because they all use stickers. So it's like this sheet has these stickers, all this one. So I'll explain each activity one by one. So this is just, you know, that origami sheets we get in here dollar store. So they've taken the origami sheets. I've had lots, and again use and throw, right? So even they get lost, I don't care because they are very cheap things. So she doesn't recognize letters, but she knows a and fur. I don't know how, maybe the mat. So I just put and fur here, and I have stickers at the back here. You know, I've stapled it. So when we are playing, we'll remove it. It's just that they don't get, if my husband is playing with her, he knows which stickers to look for. So he'll just remove it from the stapler, and then we'll start. So like, I hope you can see. So it's apple, fries, fish, and there's a red apple and a green apple. So like that, we'll give her the stickers, and I like apple. So she'll pick up the apple and put it on the and like that fish, she'll put it on fur. Second one, it's a fine motor skills as color recognition. So again, there are stickers at the back. They are dot stickers, all red, green. So here first she'll put the red stickers in red, green in green, and there are some small circles, some big circles. So because I have small green, small red, big red, and at the back I have done the counting ones, like 1, 3, 2. So she has to put 1 sticker here, 3 stickers here, 2 stickers here. So all these with dot stickers. This is blue are for counting 1, 2, 3, and the red and green are for placing inside the circle. So it's a color recognition as well as my fine motor skills. This one is again a color recognition activity. So there are dot stickers of different color, and then at the back the stickers I have given her are the objects of this color, like white fish, white seal, blue fish, green tree, like that. She has to pick up. We'll talk about the animal recognition, and then she'll put which color it matches to, like white seal will come it here, green tree will come here, like that. The next one, again object recognition. So there's different kind of stickers which I put in this one, and then there are stickers at the back. So like if she picks up a train coach, so where is a train coach? So she'll put it here. So object recognition as well as vocabulary building. So there's different thing, hearts, donuts, different color of hearts, and then there's astronaut vehicles, all those kind of thing. The next one is doesn't have stickers, but we can do the marker or just like that. It's asking which is the biggest object, which is the smallest object. So I'll just put in like, okay, see, I'll touch the biggest fish in this row, touch the smallest circle in this row, like that. So this is the way we'll play this game. This is again which is a big rectangle, or which is a rectangle, a square, and I will have some more stickers. So she'll just put the stickers over them. It's a random one. Now because she knows counting but doesn't recognize the numbers as such, so we'll just count and like it's 2. So 1, 2, this is number 2. Now it is 1, so this is number 1. Now this is 3, 1, 2, 3. She'll count it. Then I'll tell her 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. Like that we'll play this activity. And at the back I have recorded numbers 2, 3, which I want her to know. So yes, I have dot stickers with it. See, all the dot stickers are at the back, all stapled. All these are dot stickers. So it's like when you do 2, so you have to put 2 stickers. 3, she has to put 1, 2, 3 stickers. 5 and 7. Accordingly, she has to put the stickers over it, count it, and then we'll tell her, see, this is number 7. So that is the activities I have for her for our this flight, which is 5 to 6 hours. So hope you like these ideas, and they help you in your travel too. So happy parenting and enjoy. Bye bye.